Hey, so for this week's buyer tip, let's talk a little bit about offers. Make sure that your agent is talking to, as a buyer, make sure that your buyer's agent is talking to the listing agent to figure out exactly what it is the seller wants. Sometimes a seller really does want 10-day all cash offer, no contingency, let's just get it done. Sometimes sellers are moving out of state and they need cash to close to purchase a new property. So in that case, they also need a little bit of time. So maybe a 30-day close with the rent back, or other times they're moving out of state and their property won't be ready till later. So they would like a longer close, like 45 days, and again, a 30-day rent back. So make sure that your agent is talking to the listing agent so you know exactly what the seller needs when you're writing an offer.